We have a really fun video for you today. Let's just say that your breakfasts are about to be very delicious. We found the best gadgets around. You want a corn dog with an omelet? There you go, done with a click. Now let's show you how to make your time in the kitchen easier. This cutter is so good, it doesn't leave a mess behind. Want some fresh juice in the morning? Say no more and watch this. Why tire yourself with a knife when this little gadget does it with a push? Peeling apples is not a problem anymore. That's really useful. Hope you like them.